and thanks for staying with us. A civil rights group has called on the Nigerian authorities to adopt a rights-respecting approach and give clear instructions to security agencies not to abuse their powers. They say the scale of deadly confrontations between citizens and security agents is becoming a call for concern. Correspondent Habidah Lawal reports.
I can't wait again. Take me to court and let me face my law.
Human rights violations in Nigeria have been commonplace under military rule. 1993 was a particularly challenging year for Nigerian human rights groups. Even up to present, this has not stopped, despite the fact that Nigeria has now run a democracy for 21 years. Abuses by members of the police and security forces remain a persistent human rights problem.
Gentlemen of the press.
This civil rights group is alleging that freedoms of assembly, association and expression are all under attack, and the country is now witnessing a shrinking civic space. The frequent cases of harassment and extrajudicial killings by law enforcement officers is now cause for worry. They claim that little progress has been made in securing accountability for human rights violations and abuses committed by security forces.
The Nigerian jurisprudence is settled on our hierarchy of law. Any law that is inconsistent with our constitution is, to the extent of that inconsistency, null and void. The law is settled under the Nigerian constitution that every citizen, it does not matter whether you're a military person, it does not matter whether you're a police officer, it does not matter whether you're an ordinary citizen, every citizen of this country is so entitled to freedom of expression. This freedom of expression can be curtailed, can be regulated, but that does not erode, that does not take away the position of freedom of expression.
Torture and other ill treatment remain pervasive within the Nigerian criminal justice system. But this group insists that despite the worrying scenario, Nigerian security agencies can develop a more civil approach to citizens even in dire situations. Violation of human rights have been a recurring trend in Nigeria. Many believe that a reorientation is needed for security agents to better understand how to handle civil matters. Habidah Lawal, TVC News, Abuja.